Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. So today I am making mini Bakarwadis. These are so tiny Bakarwadis and it makes a perfect evening munching snack. Very simple and easy recipe, don't need much of preparation. So to begin with, we need a cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. In that goes in a teaspoon of Besan, that is chickpea flour, salt for taste, 1/4 teaspoon of Carom seeds, that is Ajwain, mix that in, and let's add in 1/4 cup of oil. Mix this until it turns like a breadcrumbs. Now once oil gets evenly incorporated with this dry flour, if you take a small portion of this flour and press it, it comes together like a dough or ball, and we want it exactly to resemble like this. Now let's go ahead and add in little amount of water at a time and make this into a stiff dough. Alright, so here this dough is ready and it is nice and stiff, as you can see. Now let's take another bowl, put this dough in, cover this up, and just like any other dough, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's work on making stuffing part of this mini Bakarwadi. So first goes in a teaspoon of soap, that is Fennel seeds, a teaspoon of Cumin seeds. Now let's first grind this together and make this into a powder. Once that's powdered down, let's go ahead and add in rest of our spices. So goes in a tablespoon of desiccated coconut, you can also use dry grated coconut, sugar half teaspoon, a teaspoon of Garam masala, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and salt, just a little bit. Now again blend this together. Alright, so over here this stuffing part is done. Now next let's take this dough and give it one more knead. Let us take small portion of from this dough. Let's divide this into 2 equal size portions. And roll this out into a thin square. Now let's just trim the edges to give it a nice square shape. Perfect. Let's divide this into portions. First I am going to apply this tamarind chutney. This is the same chutney that we use while making chaat like bhed, sev puri. Now this acts as a binding agent and also adds nice chatpata tangy taste in this mini Bakarwadis. Now let's apply this masala all over this chutney. Press it gently. Now let's roll this and fold it over like so. And roll it one more time back and forth like so, so that this masala remains intact. with this roll. Similarly, we will follow the same step with this other roll. Fold this over and start to roll this. Roll this as tight as possible. Let's cut this in small portions. Once that's done, take one of this rolled out portion and pinch it between your palm like so. Perfect. Superb. Alright, so here I have rolled out all these mini tiny Bakarwadis and they look awesome. Now over here oil is also hot to deep fry them. So we are going to deep fry them over medium heat. So drop them one by one in hot oil. And fry it until it gets deep golden color from both the sides. Alright, so over here this Bakarwadi has got this awesome golden color. Now let's just shake off all the excess oil and drop that onto tissue paper. Awesome. Awesome. And now similarly I am going to deep fry rest of the Bakarwadis. Alright, so here Bakarwadis are ready and it looks and tastes quite similar to the store-bought one. So this Diwali, do give this a try. It looks so yummy and nice. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.